Welcome, my fellow musicians. No, I'm just kidding. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, StefPlays Flot Mugissant. All right, guys, going into part one. All right, we've got the C major chord here. Right? You should notice it by now, right? Then we're going to go over to the G chord. I'm sorry, the F chord. Right? We have F and C in the left, F, A, C in the right. All right, going back to the C major. Going to the D major, right? We have D and A in the left, D, F sharp, and A in the right, right? The F sharp to the G, right? You can add the sus4 into it as well. All right, we have G and D in the left, G, B, and D in the right. Add that sus4 with the C. Then going to the F major chord, we have F and C in the left, F, A, and C in the right. All right. Then we're going to this kind of inversion. We played up here, right? We have E and C in my left hand, E, G, and C in the right hand. To the A minor chord, we have A, E in the left, A, C, and E in the right hand. Going to the D minor, D and A in the left, D, F, and A in the right. You guys look, this is kind of familiar. To the G major chord, back to C. That was a little bit of the 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 progression, but let's do it again. Start at the beginning, C major, go into the F major, going back to the C major, hitting up to the D major, D and A in the left, D, F sharp, and A in the right. Going to the G major, sus4. G and D in the left, G, B, and D in the right. We add the sus4 in there, and then go to the F major, F, C in the left, F, A, C in the right. To the 3 chord, right, which we have the 3 chord, we have the E and the C in the left, E and the C, then we have E, G, and C in the right. That's basically the version of the E minor chord. To the A minor, A and E in the left, A, C, and E in the right. That's the 6. For those who know your numbers. Going to the 2, which is the D minor chord. D and A in the left, D, F, and A in the right. To the 5 chord of G, we have, and then go back to C. sus4. Right? Let's do it one more time in full. Follow along if you can. Going to the C major, to D major quickly. D major, and then to G major. Going to the F, starting on your 3 chord, E minor, to the A minor, the 6, D minor, the 5, to which is G, and then back to C. And that's part 1. All right, kicking off to part 2. Starting on the C major chord, right? And then we're going to the F major chord. F and C in the left. We have double Fs here, and then we have C, F, and A in the right, right? Going to the G major chord. I'm sorry, to the E minor chord. We have double E's in the left, with that B in the left as well. Our right hand's gonna be in the C major actually, right? Going to the A minor chord. We have A and E in the left, A, C, and E in the right. Right? We're going to the D minor chord. Right? We have 2 D's in the left hand with the added A. Excuse me. With that added A. Then we have the D, F, and A in the right hand, making that D minor. Going to the G. G, D in the left, G, B, and D in the right. All right, we're gonna go into the A minor chord, A and E in the left, A, C, and E in the right. Now here's a little cool part. We're gonna go into this little inversion here. It's a G inversion. We have B and G in the right, B, D, and G in the left. We've done this before in a couple other videos. Back to the C major. That's the first half. Second half goes as follows. Right? Back to the F. To the E minor. Double E's in the left. C in the right hand. C major in the right. To the A minor. To the D minor. Back to G. 2's 4. And hitting the C to end it off. Right, let's do it one more time. To the F major, we have double F's in the left with that C. And then we have a C inversion with C, F, and A in the right hand. It's first inversion. Going to that E minor right here. All right, we have double E's in the left. We have C, E, and G, a regular C major chord in the right, with that B in the left hand as well. The A minor, right? This is part of the 3-6-2-5-1. We have A and E in the left, A, C, E in the right. The D minor, we have double D's in the left with that A. We have D, F, and A in the right. Let's go to the G, right? And then A minor to that G inversion to C. That's the first half of the chorus. You have A minor again. I'm just gonna repeat it. And then G inversion, B and G in the left, B, D, and G in the right to the C major. That part is crucial. Next part, F major, to go into the E minor, right? To the A minor here. You see that transition I did there? That G sharp, keeping that C in the left and keeping the C as we go to the A minor. You have double A's in the left with the E in the middle, C, E, G in the right. All right, still has that A minor effect. Going to the D minor, the 2, and then to the G sus 4 if you want to add it, but G in general. Back to the C. All right, take one more crack at it. All right, that's pretty much it. Let's go over everything one more time. Right, D major to G. Shout out to D major. There's one friend of mine. The link will be in the card right now. Listen to his songs. It's pretty good. Tell him everything he knows. Tell him StefPlays sent you. Chorus time. Le gouverneur. Going to the 3 chord, the E minor. I see using that G sharp again. To the 2 major chord. The G, the A minor, G inversion, C major. That's very important. Practice that a lot. To the to the E minor again, the third, the A minor. All right, going to the D minor, to the G major, finishing it off in C. Well, F really. And I'm gonna show you guys something extra here. Right before we end the song, we're gonna go to the F major chord rather than going to the C, and then we're going to this chord right here. This is a G sharp major or an A flat major. We have G sharp and D sharp in the left, G sharp, C, and D sharp in the right. Right, G sharp there. And then we're gonna go into the A sharp major chord or B flat chord. We have two A sharps. We have the D and the F as well in the respective fingers. That back to the C to finish it off. Try it again. Avec Jésus. To that F. Oh, I'm sorry, you can even skip the F. Go straight to the G sharp, A sharp major, and then back to G sharp, play around with it. One more time. A sharp major, and off in C. All right, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for listening. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully my headset's on the right way, but hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys learned all the tips and tricks that I gave in that one. That one's a really popular one. You don't hear it being played as often, but I think it's still popular. We just played it at my church last Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friend so we can all continue to glorify God through these songs. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving just a couple days ago here, a great Black Friday yesterday, and an amazing Cyber Monday coming on Monday. All right, thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.